What are you saying?
A play.
Don't push the button. No, no.
Mom.
I can't back up anymore. What do you know for sure today?
What?
What are you doing? Jeez. Are you riding your horsey? Let's see how you ride your horsey. How do you ride the horsey? Can you ride the horsey? Okay, do it. Go back and forth. Okay, rock back and forth. Put your feet up.
So I'm taking them to the...
No, Brooke, you're supposed to ride the horse. Yeah, ride the horse. Ride the horsey.
With you. Come on back.
Yeah, good girl. Yeah, geez. Walk. What? Take your baby for a walk. Take your baby for a walk.
Brooke, go take your baby out of the stroller.
Mommy. You're right.
Yeah, the light, yeah. Take your baby for a walk. Show me how you can take your baby for a walk.
Keep going. I see you. I see you. I see you.
Where are you?
Keep going. Keep going, Brooke.
One cheerleader, Miss Brooke. Hi. Who are you rooting for? Who are you rooting for? Grandma's babysitting. She's getting the ball. Hi, Brookster. Are we playing, huh? Ball? Can you say ball? You have. Did you have the ball? Hey, Brookie. Brooke. What do you have? What do you have? The ball? Can you say ball? Can you walk? Go. Can you walk, Miss Brooke? What are you doing? Where's the ball? The ball. Where's the ball? You get the ball? Very good. You're losing your drawers. You're losing your drawers. What do you have? You had the ball. Ball. What do you have, Brooke? Oh. Catch. Oh, now how are you going to get it? You're going to crawl over and get it. No, you're supposed to walk. You're supposed to be walking. How come you're not walking? Can you get up and walk? Can you walk? Can you walk? Can you walk? Can you walk? Show Grandma how you walk. Show Grandma how you walk. Very good. Hi, what are you doing? Are you walking your car? Are you going shopping at the store?
You're a big girl.
Yeah.
What, honey?
You walk this way. Show Grandpa how you walk. Come on. Go to the store. Good girl. See, you can walk. Yeah. There you go. You can even maneuver. What is happening, Miss Brookster?
Brooke's fighting. No, you.
You?
Stop! Scott!
Yeah.
Stop! I hit you. You better not. Well, you better not ring. Blah blah blah. Okay, whatever.
Oh, there you are with Bob.
Really narrow.
Oh, cool. look at those slippers.
Look at those.
Oh,
With Cinderella.
you are just beautiful.
And then
Oh,
go to, oh, yes.
oh.
Look at that, and you have
Oh,
Belle and
turn around.
Cinderella and Snow White.
Yes, they're all on you.
I mean,
Oh,
not Snow White, but Sleeping Beauty.
oh yes.
Sleeping Beauty.
Turn around and see what you look like to me.
Oh, you're
Rock.
so pretty.
Oh my gosh.
Brooke, your dainty walk.
Let me see.
So when did you guys get your...
Brooke Stanton. Hi, Brooke.
You. Scott, you're out. Oh.
Oh, there you go. Brooke's doing some rolls.
On the treetop, when the river, the cradle will fall. Down will come baby, on cradle and down.
Very good. Now,
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
very good. Can you say hi, Grandpa?
Hi, Grandpa.
Say, how are you?
How are you?
Say, I miss you.
I miss you.
Are we having fun?
Twinkle.
There's Scoot. I'm babysitting. I'm doing a good job. Everything's under control. Right, Scoot?
We're my happy family with the great kissing me to you. Won't you say you love me too? Doodle.
Oh, it's Brookie Snooky Doodle?
Yes,
Is that your name?
Where are you going, Brookie Snooky Doodle?
it's ballet.
Are you?
And what are you going to do there?
You are.
And then Miss Courtney will wake up and we'll go.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Can you play the piano? Very good. Oh, look at you. That's very good. Very good, Brookster. What are you doing?
Yeah.
No,
Well, you're just playing up a storm.
no.
Puppy.
Yeah, that's very good.
Puppy.
Puppy.
Look at you. Brooke, was that yummy? Oh, yeah. You pretty girl.
No.
Oh,
That's nice, Brooke. Can you
very
spin?
good.
Oh, can you do a plie?
Plie.
Oh, and do your curtsy. That was a curtsy. Do your curtsy. Oh, is that how you curtsy? Or do you put your leg behind and bend your knees? Curtsy.
That's good.
right. And tell Grandma who your teacher is. Who's your teacher for ballet? What's your teacher's name? Miss Courtney. And she's coming soon. You're very graceful.
And also some ready tabs for my daughter Emily.
How's it going? Good. This is really
Okay. Okay. Thanks. Bye.
That's why she never does anything.
one day it's like something clicked. And it's funny. I think they're probably just kind of
Very graceful.
exploring the whole thing.
Well, pretty, or you can go nice. Are you talking? Can you talk? Are you twirling your toes? Are you twirling your toes in your hands? Hi, Brooke. Can you talk? Can you talk? Is that sign language? Is that sign language there? Yeah. Oh my goodness. Can you say night-night? Say night-night. Can you smile? Oh yeah. Say night-night. Oh, look at how pretty your bunnies are. We're going to Old Town Spring today. You're going shopping, going visiting. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Oh, yes. Don't take the bow off. No, not the bow, Brooke. Do it again. Do it. Make the noise.
Voodoo da!
Ah.
Hi.
Can you growl? Growl. No?
Scott, you do it.
Do it again now.
Okay.
You do it, Brooke.
You do it.
Growl. Ah.
Growl.
Look at her. Do something.
Coconut.
You were just talking.
Just, there, no, there you go. Your light's not on.
It's okay. I don't know
Go
why.
back.
Yeah. She's gonna look at you again. Emma likes that bow, Brookster. Yeah, she does. That's a pretty bow. No headband. We're not squeezing your brains out. No! That's a good bow. Can you smile for me? What are you having for supper? Cheerios!
My favorite food.
Cheerios!